If you're looking for a mix of southern charm and luxurious relaxation, Tennessee resorts might surprise you. This state isn't just about country music and barbecue. It's also home to some truly incredible escapes. Let's talk about them. First up, Dollywood's DreamMore Resort in Pigeon Forge. It's not just a stay, it's an experience. Right next to Dollywood Theme Park, you get perks like park shuttles and early park entry. Families absolutely love it. Another gem is Blackberry Farm, located in the Smoky Mountains. Yes, it's pricey, starting at around $1,000 per night, but it's next level. Think farm-to-table dinners, fly fishing, and wellness retreats. Oprah stayed here once. Enough said. For people craving nature more than luxury, check out Little Arrow Outdoor Resort in Townsend. From cozy cabins to glamping tents, it's perfect if you want the outdoors without roughing it. Plus, you're minutes from Great Smoky Mountains National Park. There's also the Inn at Christmas Place in Pigeon Forge, where it's Christmas year-round. Yes, year-round. Lights, carols, themed decor, it's unapologetically festive. If you're into holiday vibes, this is your wonderland. Chattanooga's the Edwin Hotel blends boutique style with artsy vibes. Pro tip, don't skip a meal at Whitebird, their on-site restaurant. The views from the rooftop bar are absolutely worth that Instagram story. Tennessee has resorts for self-care lovers, too. Think Evins Mill in Smithville. It's an all-inclusive retreat where you can hike to waterfalls, eat gourmet dishes, and recharge your stressed-out brain. Small, quiet, and underrated. Some resorts cater specifically to thrill seekers. Take Wilderness at the Smokies, which has not one but 2 water parks. Families swear by the indoor water fun paired with mountain views. It's also easier on the wallet than some places. Wine lovers, you must visit the Chateau Selah near Johnson City. It's part winery, part resort, and part wedding venue. The sunsets, straight fire. Pair that with a glass of Tennessee Red for an unforgettable evening. If you're near Nashville, Gaylord Opryland Resort is classic. Massive atriums, indoor rivers, and enough restaurants to get lost in. The size is insane, like 2,888 rooms insane. It's literally a city within a resort. For history buffs, there's Whitestone Inn near Kingston. It feels like a step back in time with its southern mansion vibe. Overlooking Watts Bar Lake, they call it a sanctuary for the soul, and honestly, I agree. Budget travelers shouldn't miss Greystone Lodge on the river in Gatlinburg. It's simple, but cozy and ridiculously close to downtown. The free breakfast earns points, and the view of the river, surprisingly peaceful for the price. Tennessee resorts have something for everyone. No joke. Whether you're chasing luxury, adventure, or a Christmas tree in July, the Volunteer State delivers. And no, you don't need to love country music to enjoy these spots.